a present social reformer of India, Anna Hazare.
मैं अन्ना हजारे हूँ। मैं अपने देश से भ्रष्टाचार मिटाना चाहता हूँ। मुझे आप सभी का समर्थन चाहिए। Children are the base of any nation, and our base is definitely very powerful and full of energy, so nobody can stop us to reach the heights of success.
Yeah, Meg, it is truly sad. Efforts always pay. A paper flying in air is due to luck, but a kite flying in air is due to your efforts. So don't worry if luck does not support, efforts are always yours. The future is always purchased by the present. So if you want to secure a good future, you will have to use your present in the best way. We should learn something from everything. Those who gave up never succeed. Always remember, success is a journey, not destination. So go ahead. Put on all your efforts to get success in your life. Success does not come to you. You go to it. To be a great champion, you have to believe that you are the best. With this spirit and with the destination, our success having in their mind, our excited horizoners want to rock the floor. So please welcome them with huge sound of applause.
पूछे है जिंदगी हमसे जीने की अदा, बोले ये रास्ते है कहाँ। हम तो हवाओं पे लिखते हैं दास्तां, हम में है वो हुनर छा जाए जाए जहाँ। रास्ते, यारो जाना है कहाँ। हम तो हवाओं पे लिखते हैं दास्तां, हम में है वो हुनर, छा जाए जाए जहाँ। ओए 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 ओए
बांध कफन हम सर पे चले हैं, खा के कसम हम घर से चले हैं, सर जो उठे हैं नहीं झुकेंगे। देख ले दुनिया देखे जमाना, पड़ेगा भारी सामने आना, हम तो है जिद्दी नहीं रुकेंगे। हिम्मत भी है ताकत भी है और जीत की चाहत भी है, टकराओगे तो मिट जाओगे कि हम लोग हैं दीवाने। Hey dude, don't mess with me. Hey dude, don't mess with me. Hey dude, don't mess with me. Hey dude, don't
audience. Now, I would request the director, sir, to please present a memento to Shri Manoj Mittal ji, Vice President of Sopra IT Group, France. Sir, please.
Gentlemen, our horizonals are ready for the next plastic performance.
So, dear parents and respected guests, please welcome the horizoners on the stage for the last but not the least performance with a huge sound of applause.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध तू बेटरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए